There are numerous ways of transferring knowledge from one individual to another. For example, articles, books, podcasts, and videos. I will be focusing on knowledge transfer using presentations, which could be lectures to students, presenting research findings to colleagues, or any presentation to an audience. When faced with having to do a presentation, we often automatically roll out PowerPoint. I will show you how concept mapping on its own or combined with PowerPoint can be used to improve your presentations. Knowledge transfer using a presentation aims to connect with the audience, hold the audience's attention, and promote the audience's understanding and retention of the content presented. Presentations usually have time limits. Another factor to consider is the amount of existing or prior knowledge of your audience and their capacity to understand your material. Preparing a presentation has 4 distinct stages: preparation of the topic, structuring of the content, design of the presentation, and finally delivery. PowerPoint is an extremely versatile presentation tool, but has some inherent deficiencies. For instance, the ability to induce passivity in the audience and put them to sleep. Presentations are often structured linearly, and there is nothing connecting bullet points or individual slides to assist with later recall of content. Slide titles just provide sequence and usually don't aid understanding. There are often also artificial breaks when content that belongs together is spread across a number of slides. And handouts, even if they contain space for students' notes, have the tendency to promote rote learning. Concept maps are tools for organizing and representing knowledge. Concept maps contain content in context. Concept maps consist of a focus question, which helps to limit the scope of the topic, concepts, which are joined by linking phrases, and form propositions. Concepts are usually arranged in a hierarchical structure from more general concepts at the top of the map to more specifics lower down. Concept maps have cross-links joining different levels of the hierarchy and can have attachments or resources, which can be any electronic file format, from audio, video, to Word, Excel, and picture attachments. Concept maps differ from other types of mapping systems, such as knowledge maps, conceptual graphs, and mind maps, because of their grounding in Ausubel's assimilation theory of learning, their semantic and structural organization, and the use of concepts with linking phrases. This is an illustration of a typical mind map. It has a central concept and radiating spokes with implied meaning, and concepts on the spokes, which are further broken down into sub-concepts. This table summarizes the differences between mind maps and concept maps. Let's see how we can use concept maps in helping to prepare our presentations. There are 4 phases in giving presentations, and concept maps can be used in all of them. In the preparation phase, concept maps can help by defining the focus question, which helps to set the boundaries of the content. Relevant concepts can be identified and entered onto the concept map in no particular order. This is called a parking lot. Organizing concepts into a hierarchy and adding links and connecting phrases provides a logical structure for your presentation. In the design phase, background graphics can be added to the entire map, as I have done here with a graded grey to yellow background. Or graphics can be attached to any element. I've attached a graphic to the memory concept. Similar concepts can also be associated by coloring them the same as here with the long-term memory associated concepts. There are no animations in CMap tools. Animations can sometimes be rather distracting. However, you can attach a wide variety of resources to concepts, linking phrases, or links, such as graphics, audio, video, PDFs, Word docs, spreadsheets, PowerPoint slideshows, links to websites, and links to other concept maps. To facilitate delivery of the presentation, there is a slideshow feature built into CMap tools which provides for selective revealing and emphasis of the content. Combining concept maps with PowerPoint to transfer knowledge can harness the best features of both. Kitchen studied dental students and found that PowerPoint bullets assisted memorization, in other words, a surface approach to learning. But students preferred concept maps for providing connections between major ideas and improving understanding, in other words, the deep approach to learning. He advocates the use of both technologies. This can be done either by using concept maps with links to PowerPoint slideshows, or using concept maps to provide navigation within non-linear PowerPoint slideshows. I conclude by referring to a fascinating study by Moon, who used incidental recall to evaluate the effect of different presentation media on learning. He found that concept maps were far quicker to create than PowerPoint, resulted in better comprehension than PowerPoint, and that using concept maps, students got significantly better scores on their tests. I hope this stimulates you to download and explore using concept maps for yourselves.